Mame Mao Akwaba emfa umbra Ghana insem TVGH so wofreme Adwoa Sechin.
Message we had ma Canada Japan Ken City and na two say on my FM. Miss our station of crown and the last time I meet ho. I remember Ken Mankotio me who Facebook. Ken Japan Ken your offer 1 hour. Young corn or quabatua walusu. You can be bitter till the end of time. Nobody cares. So why I say is would net too no ever fight NPP abaya. We don't care. We don't care. NPP party me say so see nipa boni fu bi o party. Akwara ti can net too no so na first I bet as many name America say me cho. As many I bet as many of net too me ka say me cho. No be o dia bet bia me hu ni bia ni nyansa. I bet a wedge media. Ye Malcolm ma say anyway, me catch you playing. They are to 1 hour kekana, and some fun to the highest degree. She was a kennel lusu, it move by fighting NPP. Ken I got some woman I am over. Work in Japan, NPP Nama, I can Japan NPP. I can the Japan. NPP, and I'm Canada Japan, I can the Japan. And we don't care the Amoyen. Dear me dana me sorry anopa. Ade a me dwen ho enya na mo a me tu nyina say Dr. Baumia nyame be adom na obeba be president of the Republic of Ghana in 2028 inshallah. Akoko farmers na den krama me say dia John Mahama di ro mani ase no a John Mahama nya bia ma o ma wasa ha bom kro no no John Mahama anya bia ma o ma koko no wasa bom kro no the MPP for the ma o ma oso oba wodi bi be ka ho obaye wababetu sise hwim enega no kuani bia ton cocoa bags 10 or ton 10 bags olusu 200 million da Dwomama de ayo no na cocoa kwa fonso na NDC aban e de omoka no cocoa kuani sika bia na NDC aban ho no NDC aban chiche ne sa afa na chi dise cocoa kuani no na onim se ne 10 bags obenya 400 million or de kobo obosia o banka. When you get 400 million or the 300 million kutria or the 100 million to Drama and Eden Bedia, the 400 million or 200 million pe, and NDC by the man. NDC by man is form. To cocoa Quenya no expected 400 million, on your 200 million. It is a cocoa forwing, cocoa quia forwing. And on modern cra, a bremia bedon committee and say, Dr. Baumia 2028 election, or by fan cool chop. Into me ametie na se mo nse mate because NDC manifesto no me digim me ready e say me ya ready awie me real manifesto bo mo sha Ghana fo na Women Development Bank a mo ka so mba ya ma me no eni ade 24-hour economy nipa 3 ina be adwuma wo ayi 1 ayi ho 3 shift 1 job we ba no ko 8 bona we upon na we be start 8 no ko point time say na for fraba e ho na me ready ni nyina na mabisa me ho say enema ya NDC for kacha Ghana for e wa he metwa mani a me hu ba kokora etiano na me guso degi on manifesto ni mti me followers amon se makwa na cover ma esa nas no adwuma bi a me ye me wi a me pese me bi na Dwomahama konso sa no stop Munya botrema me mo undercover me hwe ni me digi manifesto me reading it page by page me read ya be bia me duru mo ma me wi na we me ba no abeta so me ni me ba oba name idin abet bia me hia ni wi asem ba bia adwemudo nimnyansa pa men se o career men tra ho njimi ke Japan no hye machi oye mo sa no obet sa line on za line aka no kwa na mo yen oso ni edi na chi o oso no na chi in yedi obi a won kan so no yente o case kan Japan ye man fans because o MPP ni but can decide so on MPP be my MPP enku political party te say sorry obu anu way tu no ni bofu sorry elder ni bofu sofo gidigidi no ja sorry ye panic won ti gbam no ja sorry no ko e na o musu fi so mu ja sorry be gu ana hwen sorry kese wo wi ase Church of Pentecost bebre na ba o ma jai Presby bebre na jai Presby bebre ja Methodist but who jai no na foforo ba Political parties say numbers near fixed and get to about the same figure. But said the yeah, President Mahama you're defeating about 1.5 million. Honestly, be defeating by 2 million votes. So should tell you say elections or dynamics, baby. So your Canada, Japan, and your net 2 and your bogus station cannot bring NPP down. You catch him plain. Okay. Good night.
If you don't know, John Bodu. And so be the pattern by national chairman your party the who. Oh yeah MP mpo na obi no be fighting na nipa with car or be making sure say pam. That is John Bodu for you. One who they call so okwatia. One who they call so Asante region yeah friend say deputy speaker of parliament Ewura Esiama. One who they call so. Man who or how kese a ebe die ntem all because of fire. Enti chema untumi de wo maya no mukase na wajimi onmu nyansa na chema untumi ejimi ana chema untumi ana okasa rough debi enye sa na wadwe na ye wasa eye wotan ni pattern because of say ono no Asante region akonka ana ono kasa so san sika enti omo hu ni say ono no ye obi a se brana si wi a party no ya so party ni dua enti si ya nye careful hwe ni ye mistake ni ko yi ntumi so etotuni a we do Nyankopon say yewu wo de mo obibia owo long eye bia say long size bia onum de making ebe hu say ye make ye mistake na ye jai papa we eye Ewura Kokofu Harry Kwamna Kokofu eni chema ntumi tu nchan ni offer different person for bia do be department anymore me do Nyankopon say Dr. Mamu Bawumia should forget. I'm telling you, they should and I will not waste my time. I won't stress myself because automatically it's gone. It's gone. And the baby you better all the blame now from Dr. Mamu Bawumia. That is why I'm worrying. Say ye na go for the one I bet me who say we esweni. You better them delegate am to aba. You because so repeat you because so aka mo. You ray obi a uso when you I say hey PP thank you, God bless you. Yar ma double tap on my papa uso when you onu obi a free or can obi a ben ho don't mind the age. You best them you be pam chew bebre say eni die ni ahobrase kwaso se mo me san kofa agobete ye election na obi hunu akrebe no wo su dia ene 37 from 137 abedru 82 ye nim de be san ba biem ye pam chew yesre se de mo ye ma Dr. Mamu Bawumia no saa ne be sere mo se ukoto so bi di papa yatemu a ensoso o de di ni ho dance ye na ko ba bi ye be sere ukoso bi e kan bibia fa no ho a ene ne ko ni papa ko ye debate bi just pass me ubehwe me a me koto so bi kura afab our platforms no di na tem a me duru amina so se de be ya enkwehye wakoma twem na ko ba bi internal election ba kono de na ekoso na obi enim de nti na ekosa but make sure say unu obi enkwenya banta bi enko ne mu kwa kire de wo candidate na ase ento ma no do ba e waye any de watimi aye enti ento ba no ma no simple understanding just simple wo de buse nipa no de na wo ba e waye titiri de mo party no o kire mu wi a ne to so mu a no afa me so de me kire mu say on de onya meye bibia ma apart from MP no any appointment de man oba mu no o medi party no as a general secretary by general secretary de ye hu de owo so ye hu ni dwumadie na ho keka obi a party general secretary who na who fight my party no and that person no umom na mistake bia make statement big to abi hwe na say was abronya akokasa tia Duncan Williams. Look at the kind of general secretary ben. You have to forget you any hwe se dunkatia dem no general secretary hwe fifi kote o kan kwa asem kire MP before nkrofo bia no man you money omo te kra because the agenda almost set into my head the plan gum e dinka Duncan Williams say over his dead body said Dr. Mamu president no ne yenya obi be kasa ya was yen suspend no abon grant tintin aba yenim ho yenim no yen suman baby ya. Look at this kind of, this is not a leader. With this seconds no emotional no atron grata no osu and a spiritual kwana kodi usofo jai party ni to ho na kodi usofo duma party MPP nya sofo sam na kwaya spiritual offense taba yen ni spiritual realm your physical realm, go and do your spiritual taba kodi usofo he say uno usu bempa na ebo, go and join usu bempa and celebrate your spirituality. Mochao ye ba physical ye ni nipa na hokasa ye ni delegate ne ko din komo ye ko say delegate no na omo to oba no na ye wi a ya pekukuduro fo a wontimi nko dina line mu nko sumo papa we esori ko dina ya ye kasem bia amanfo ntiase ye wura kokofu eni chema wontimi dina wi na wa sora ko dina ye wura da mpare afense sorry IGP yohonu animu a. Do you think say yohonu for respect ma era kokofu me bisa yemfa yohonu ko dina yemfa ojam enko dina ho oba kosu ojam be su yohonu anim de hia say yohonu hey obosu Asin Central one Asin Central ye election na ojanu osu Debbie but I say yohonu man yikura papa ya obohu ahobrase because ohu ni say we share ni tipenso ohu say Debbie nipa yi na nimu nyam osoro betimi enti ye wono ebre ya advantage a nipa no bi wo ko na okwen no kasa you can see say we here ba ku here ye fa na nya we me ametia me different party no me mistake ya no osoro tron kra ta fa me ho manyi SK bi e every party no I will resign. Which kind of leadership is this? Ba ku nsu do no da ho ono no yare ma ne nya ho 20 mfa ne nka ho ono mu go yare on kasa da on fin tun ata wan fin to anta da enti e pa mo chewo eni die ni ahobrase kwa so mo nto oba no e ma yewura Harry Komla Kokofu mo amu die mu a esi di mutu ene de nja chi no asante mo de mo na mo kan say de o pride be kotoko no eni na bro enti chema hontumi ye begunu hu fi ya kanse mbo na fa no ho nanso enye no kure chema hontumi because of say na kukuduro na ni edene ne sika o de boa party no ebinum wo party no say de ye Judas mo party no e ya ho ya eni bere otan anompeso mo kan papa na say adentia because obi bia oben Dr. Mahmood Bawumia bia more some people are gathered to destroy that person. It be now to me say to me money who will go through now a party move for because of say or bend Dr. Mahmood Bawumia. No one will say Jana or bet me a financial Dr. Mahmood Bawumia and as I tell you, you intimidating you can be as soon life. Now should be a shame so way Obano where they are no eba. Intimacy my na yanko neko toba na chairmanship on the chairman to me. Umientu ni say boom enfemano ni yabasi general secretary so a yeru munyamfo Harry Komla Kokofu piao many bia request I don't think say metimi afa now a very master program no medical can several times say we start the program say I hardly say of pick oh yeah wait my foul yenko na afa yemfa your topic na nkasa medical afa Black Rasta ni Captain Smart den kakra ansa na mewia na ewia ansa na mako baba jama de no so because ebre no ense da enoso mayen DJ God bless you Mr. Lume amponsa papa bi Hajia God bless you me am do fo ba ko pe all the way from Holland me mami amma ciao papa ma me do fo ba ko pe you see quite a man I say me upgrading no na me ne queen me upgrading no queen ba ko pe queen nama number 1 wachinu en mu bi ni ho yenko yenhwe ni say ye wa me no mo enko fa sa video wi na me no na enko hwe mra sesi a fast na fe you made in Komobi because a serious issue na no be doing commotion is here. Na Mamuni Miami akwa Jimmy fu ya. Eh Erade Nyankopon. O de man ko for Captain Smart ni we mra nsa. Akwa we Jimmy ba o. O de man go for we mra. We take Captain Smart.
This and I am putting my job on the line.
Okay.
Raymond Archer Oyinipa Boni.
Okay.
On Pegana youth as him. And John, we will take a decision about you because of Raymond Archer. I'm serious this morning.
And somebody will hire you.